Chapter 14. Abdul Kalam, the Missile Man of India. In this chapter, we will learn about the Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was a beloved scientist and the President of India. He inspired many children with his dreams about space and his love for learning. There are very few people who can inspire you even when they are not around. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was one of the few. He is also known as the Missile Man of India. He also became the 11th President of India. Awal Fakir Jainulabdin Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931. At Rameswaram. His father owned a boat and ferried Hindu pilgrims to and from the Rameswaram temple in Tamil Nadu. Kalam worked as a paper boy to support his father. He had 4 brothers and 1 sister. He went on to study physics and graduated from the Madras University. He wanted to become a fighter pilot. He studied aerospace engineering and also completed a PhD in physics. To become a scientist, Kalam was the project director of the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. There, he led many projects and was extremely successful at each of them. In 1970, Kalam directed 2 projects, Project Devil and Project Valiant, to develop missiles. Rohini satellite I was launched under his leadership. Agni and Prithvi missiles were successfully launched under his leadership. He was also appointed as the Chief Executive of the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program. From the year 1990 to 1999, Kalam was appointed as the Chief Scientist Advisor to the Prime Minister of India and the Secretary of Defence and Research. During this time, Kalam also served as the Chief Project Coordinator for the Pokhran 2 nuclear tests. After this, he came to be known as the Missile Man of India. In the year 2002, Kalam became 11th President of India and served till 2007. Kalam was the proud recipient of the Padma Bhushan 1981, the Padma Vibhushan 1990, and the Bharat Ratna 1997 award from the Indian government. He was also awarded the Indira Gandhi National Award for National Integration. Not only by the Indian government, Kalam was awarded by medals by the government of the UK as well. Kalam received doctorates from 48 universities. In addition to his work, he also authored a number of books. Amongst them, India 2020 is the most appreciated and widely read book. Ignited Minds, Mission India, Inspiring Thoughts are some of his other books. He also gave lectures at many schools and colleges. Kalam always loved young people and wanted to make a difference to their lives. Kalam breathed his last on July 27, 2015 while giving a lecture at IIM Shillong. The entire world was saddened by the death of this man of great vision.